To MR.Wanyoike digital learning platform. In today's lesson, we are going to look on a mathematics problem on highest common factor. And example 1 here, the question reads, find the highest common factor of 16 and 24 using factorization method. As far as the factorization method is concerned, the step number 1, you are supposed to look for the factors of 16 and the factors of 24 respectively. I start with the first one, that is 16. I look for the factors. Using a tree diagram, that is 2 because of 8, or 16 divided by 2, you get 8. Then I divide by 2 again. I get 8 divided by 2, you get 4. Then 4 divided by 2, again, you get 2. And finally, you will get 2 divided by 2 is 1. And also you repeat with the second number, which is supposed to be 24. And the second number, 24, I'm going to look for the factors of 24. 24 divided by 2, because the last digit is even, so it is 24, it is divided by 2. And I write 12. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Then 12, you divide by 2 again, you get 6. And 6 divided by 2, you get 3. And last 3 divided by 3, you will get 1. Then having written that, you're supposed to list this number. And I repeat again, you're supposed to list the 16, the factors of 16 and the factors of 24, forming 2 rows. That is the first row. The first row, you are supposed to use the factors, that is the factors of the prime factors of 16, that is 2. You multiply by 2, you multiply by 2, and lastly, you multiply by 2. Then you list the factors of 24. Factors of 24. You will get them as 2. You multiply by 2 by 2. There are 3 2's. You multiply by 2. And lastly, you multiply by 3. Then having written that, you're supposed to take a pair, which is common in both cases. For example, here there is a 2 and 2. There is one pair. You take one of the number. So the HCF is equals to, you pick just one. In every pair, you pick one. Then there is a pair which is common. You pick another one. Then you have another pair here which is common. Then you pick just one number. Then you multiply the 2 by 2 by 2, you will get the answer is 8. And the last pair is not, you're not supposed to pick it. Why? Because the two numbers are not the same. And therefore, in order for you to pick a pair, the pair picked should be represented by 2 similar numbers. For example, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, but 2 and 3, you cannot pick the last pair because the numbers are not common. And therefore, after that, you multiply the numbers picked, that is 2 by 2 by 2, you will get 8, and therefore 8 becomes the HCF of 16 and 24. And this marks the end of today's lesson. Till next lesson, bye-bye.